I found first light.
Alexa, turn on first light. I'm installing this light for my mom, and she's not one to talk to Alexa, and her choice of phone is something like this rather than a smartphone. Ideal product is a Philips Hue switch. You can switch it on and off and dim the light. So let's get this installed. So there's the switch, and this is the base plate. You can literally stick this, well, they don't include the attachments, but you can glue this or screw this onto the wall, and this is where you hold the switch. The other thing to remember is this switch, the main switch to the light, always has to be on for you to be able to control it with your Alexa or the phone app or the switch. So to cover that up and make sure that no one switches off, you need this. This will cover up the light switch and give you a place to hold the dimmer switch. It comes with 2 screws. And even a screwdriver. Perfect. So basically all you have to do is unscrew the screws on your light switch. You don't need to take this off or anything, just taking off the screws. Put the new plate on top. Make sure that little groove thing is at the bottom, and use the supplied screws to screw it back, to screw it on. So now that's on the wall, go back to your switch and the plate. So take these 2 parts apart. So if you didn't have this, you'd basically stick this on the wall using screws, put that on top again. But because we have this, we're going to take this bit here, pop it on here, and now you can simply stick your remote there. It's covered up the main switch, so no one's going to switch it off. They're simply going to use on button, the off button, and the dimming buttons here. And obviously you can take the remote off, take it in bed with you. Once you're in bed, you can switch the light off, and if you need to switch on in the middle of the night, this is always handy. When you're not using it, it's back on the wall.